Good morning, friends. I am with the second video on ROS with Webots. So today we are going to see basics of how we got our Webot connected to ROS. In the last video, we saw how to make a basic package where we can integrate Webot with ROS. So those of you who have not seen last video, do watch the last one, and this this is the state where we will end in. Now we have a workspace named soft workspace. We will source it. Source will be devel./setup.bash, and we will launch the keyboard file which we launched last time. So it is ROS launch, Webots ROS, and keyboard teleopt. So yes. So as last time, we will again see a robot which can teleopt with our keyboard. But this time we will learn how can we see these things into ROS. So if I click a new terminal, if I go to new terminal, and if I see ROS topic list, I can see there are ROS out and ROS out AGG are the default topics of ROS, but there are two topics which Webots has made and which can communicate with ROS. So for example, if I open ROS topic echo model name, so I get the model name. In Webots, every time when you spawn a new robot, this ID changes 3771. So make a note, when you are making a new topic, you need to subscribe to this model name topic and do include this topic if you are subscribing to some Webot message. So now let's see how our keyboard keys strikes are converted to the motion in Webots. So let's echo the. So now we are echoing this topic. So when I click on the keys, I can see that my topic has started publishing. So if I minimize this and I hit keys, I can see the changing. So if I click right, it is 116 number data. So there are different arrow keys are given different data numbers. So basically in this project, ROS is taking the keyboard input and it is publishing the command velocities to Webots via services. So if you see and think about this, you can go to ROS services, ROS services list. So this robot is already available. So there are many services which we can work with and integrate our ROS with Webots. So now we'll go through one more example. So if I Control C, the process dies. Now what I do is I open eplug line. This is just a parallel example to show that all the examples work in similar manner. So if you see, this is doing line tracing. So let's again see the topics. So if I see, it has 8 sensors, model name, and ROS framework. So if I do ROS topic echo of eplug PS3, let's see the value of, so if you see, it is publishing the range. And now, as we learned to view the beams, we can go to view, optional render, and you can see distance and arrays. So you can see these are the 8 rays which has been published in the topic, and this is a way where it is publishing range. So now you can use this range in your node in ROS framework, and with this reading you can implement an obstacle avoidance algorithm. So this was the second example where we can see there is an integration of ROS with Webots. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like the videos, do share, and next time I'll be with videos on sensor integration on robot and seeing those topics in ROS framework. So stay tuned. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.